Hi, I'm Mark, your vector product expert here at Ignition Drawing. Today I'd like to introduce you to the new mobile-friendly vector order form. If you're watching this on your computer, feel free to follow along on your mobile device. Start off by touching the Orders tab and then touch the Place Vector option. When the form loads, you'll have the option to upload an existing file, like when you're on your desktop, or you can use your camera now to take a photo and upload it instantly. This could be handy if you're on the road and want to get the order process started directly after a client meeting. The rest of the questions should be pretty self-explanatory, but let's place an example order for screen printing. Now if you touch that little eye, that'll bring up a handy tooltip that'll give you more information about the questions that we're going to ask. I am going to fill out some of the more advanced options here. You don't necessarily need to fill these out to have a successful order. So let's see, spot color, and we're going to want to use 3 colors on this project, and make sure that we have a white plate, just in case we're going to print this on a dark colored fabric. All right, and we're just going to vector the whole thing. And let's add ourselves a custom size. Let's see, let's do this one at 6 inches wide. That sounds good. And then let's pick a file type, maybe Illustrator. No, actually I think I'll use EPS. That way I can send it to somebody that also has CorelDRAW. Hopefully, this will make placing orders for you and your staff easier to do on the go. Well, thanks for watching, and if you need assistance, feel free to drop a message to service@ignitiondrawing.com.